what's up? Another vlog.
What's up,
We got here.
How's it going?
Carlos. Today we got another shoot with 2 GT3s, a new camera as well, FX3. Let's get going. Should be a cool shoot today. Yeah, the other guy's supposed to come is Rodrigo. He shoots for Alpha Rex. He's like their videographer and all that.
Oh, nice.
Hitting me up to come out and like wanting to shoot with us and stuff.
Yeah.
So hopefully he can make it out. Cool. All right, we're heading out. Y'all, just made it to the meetup spot. We got Jeffrey and Kenneth's GT3s. Check it out. Damn, so good, dude. Look at this. What up? How you guys been? What's up, Jeffrey? Good to see you, dude. Let's hear the startup. Oh yeah. We're shooting these two cars together, rollers, statics. I almost dropped this shit, dude. It was on my roof and I was driving. And I forgot it was there, but it's good. It didn't fall. Thank the Lord. Exhaust audio. Unfortunately, that didn't go too well because Irvine's hot with police right now, so we kind of got stopped. But yeah, we're gonna get some B-roll, and then hopefully by then sun will be down, and we'll get some rollers. Hopefully everything goes smooth, no cops, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, I guess. Minimal setup.
The mic weighs nothing.
I know. I mean, setting up two cars is, a little bit more difficult because you got to position them kind of nicely together where they complement each other. Alright guys, so we're about to head out to do rollers. Sun is down, lighting should be nice right now. This will be the last thing we do and then head out from there. Be hanging out the trunk, a little sketch. Need to honestly upgrade to a car camera rig, but not sure what system to go with. If you have any options, comment down below. Alright, there's something up with me today. I've been leaving stuff on the roof of my car and forgetting. We left my FX3 on the roof in the morning. We left, it was on there, and I didn't realize until like a block down. Thank God it didn't fall. Yeah, it's pretty sketch. It kind of felt pretty dumb after that, honestly. And then like an hour ago, I left my GoPro head strap on the roof and that thing fell on the floor. So yeah, for some reason I'm just forgetting stuff on the roof, and yeah, it's not good. Let me just strap up quick. Too many cars, bro. Fuck. There you go. You guys want to check out some of the footage?
Oh, dude.
Just wait till late. Just wait till the tunnel part, dude.
Tunnel, yeah,
The tunnel, dude. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this duo GT3 shoot behind the scenes, and we'll catch you on the next one.